bring these down a little bit. Let's put them on this bank. I'll put them on that bank. So yeah, I just want a little fisherman somewhere. Just stick him on here. Let's just pop him down here. And he's small. Sat down on his chair. And just a very basic reflection. Little birds in the sky. And I'm just going to stick my name on this one now and call this one done. Well, let's take a closer look at that now and see what it looks like. So here's our finished painting. So simple style. We've got just a bit of cad yellow in there and light red, just a mix of that to add a bit of colour. And then it was just ultramarine then, just popping in these background trees. And you can see. Thanks for watching. You can watch the full video demo of this one at patreon.com/Stephen Cronin.